Cooking vocabulary with sentences. Pinch. Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. Break. She is breaking an eggs into the bowl. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the dough into a circle. Knead. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Spread. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Drain. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Pour. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass, or it will crack. Chop. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Squeeze. Squeeze. Can you squeeze a lemon onto the fish? Slice. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Sauté. Sauté. Sauté a onion for 2 minutes. Steam. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Bake. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Roast. Roast. She is roasting a chicken. Fry. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Blend. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.